As the migrant surge picks up along the southern border, we have new exclusive images of the struggle between migrants desperately trying to enter the country and law enforcement trying to stop them. Correspondent Blvd reports again tonight from La Jolla, Texas.
A human smuggler driving a stolen truck leads a Texas DPS trooper on a pursuit near Del Rio before bailing out. The trooper chases down migrants as they spill out of the vehicle, trying to escape.
Get on the ground!
13 illegal immigrants were apprehended, including the driver. Several were hiding in the bed of the truck, and one man appeared to have been concealed inside of a large toolbox. In La Jolla Wednesday morning, as usual, groups of migrants walked down a road to give themselves up after they crossed illegally. More than 100 turned themselves into Border Patrol, a mixture of families, unaccompanied children, and teenagers. Border Patrol here in the Rio Grande Valley sector says there were more than 45,000 migrant encounters in the sector in October. That's a 157% increase over the same time last year. This highly sophisticated drone belongs to private company Strategic Response Partners, who has been working under the direction of Women Fighting for America founder Christy Hutcherson and with local law enforcement amidst the migrant crisis.
They're heading back towards the river right now.
We were with her team overnight in La Jolla as the drone used thermal imaging to track a group of runners who crossed illegally. Hutcherson's team relayed coordinates to the Border Patrol agents who quickly closed in on the group, ultimately apprehending all of them. Hutcherson tells us this is about more than illegal immigration.
He's throwing bags.
Drug trafficking has gone up over 450-something%. That's a lot of drugs coming and flooding into our streets. The drugs don't just stay here at the border. Within 42 to 72 hours, they're in cities all across the United States.
And earlier today, we learned from the CDC that for the very first time, 100,000 Americans died of a drug overdose in one single year, partly fueled by fentanyl ODs. That's a drug which continues to spill through our southern border. Brett, we'll send it back to you.
Bill Blvd along the border. Bill, thanks. On that point, experts also believe another top driver of that increase in opioid deaths is the COVID-19 pandemic, which left many drug users socially isolated, unable to get treatment or other support.